Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning and good morning to you. Uncle Rick returns with an English video of this lovely American-made pocket watch. Previously, Uncle Rick has spoken in Malay about this video. Today, we are going to do an English video. So, this pocket watch is for sale and the brand name is Westclock's. The model is Bullseye, and this is the back of the pocket watch. Just show you, this is actually the bezel which Uncle Rick has opened ready to save time, and this is the tool that we use, a very fine pocket watch. There is a gap at the back of the bezel purposely for us to insert this and open the lid. And let's take a look at what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, down here in the dial we can see the words Westclock's USA. Westclock's is a very well-known clock company. So Westclock's has made the Bullseye series of pocket watch. You can see the dial is very nice, white color. The crystal is still in pretty good condition. Bow and the crown winds well. This is a one-day clock. It's a one-day watch, and it does run for 1 day, ladies and gentlemen. It runs for more than 1 day, well over 1 day, and it keeps very good time. You can see the mainsprings over here looking good, and everything is kicking back and forth over here. All the gears are moving very well, ticking very well. We can see the words made in USA here, so that stands for quality. And this pocket watch is circa about 1950s to 1960s, so it's a very good purchase. It's a good investment. Uncle Rick purchased this when Uncle Rick was back in North America and brought it back personally so that everybody can enjoy. If you do want to purchase this, please PM me. In the meantime, please do press the follow button, everybody. Thank you and bye.